everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, this is Preetha. Today's video is going to be get ready with me kind of a shoot because today is the first day of Durga Puja 2021 pandal hopping. So I am going for pandal hopping. So I thought to create a look and share with you all guys. So it might be helpful. If you like the look and like the video, please hit the like button and also comment below. Subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. And keep on watching how I'm going to create this look.
As always, I have prepped my skin with my favorite moisturizer. Now I am using Sugar Lip Primer in order to prime my lips, and then I will use the Lakme Absolute Primer in order to prime my skin. As this is festive season, so I wanted my skin to look glowy, so I have mixed my foundation from L'Oreal Paris Infallible range with the illuminator from L'Oreal Paris, and then I have applied on my face, and then I have blended them using the wet sponge. This gives a within kind of a glow which looks natural. Then I have used Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to conceal my face. I have used it on the dark spots and under my eyes, and then blended using the wet sponge. In order to set my face, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade 235. I really like this compact. You have seen me using this compact a lot in my videos. Move on to the eyes. In order to create the eye look, I am taking a dark mauvish pink shade in order to define my outer V of my eyelid, and then I am gently placing the color to the outer V and then just taking it inward, so it kind of create a ombre look. Taking the pale pink shade from the same palette and starting from the inner corner of my eyelid towards the middle part of my eyelid, I am gently placing the color, and then I am going to use the beige color from the same palette, and it would work as the transition shade to the crease area. To define the outer corner of my eyelid, I have mixed the mauvish pink shade with the brown shade and placed it onto the outer half of my eyelid. It looks more defined. I have taken the peachy glittery kind of a shade in my fingertip, and then I have applied on the middle part of my eyelid. I have taken the golden shimmery shade using my fingertip and started from my inner corner towards the middle part of my eyelid. Using a blending brush, I have blended everything together so it does not look harsh. I have taken the liquid eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris and I have drawn kind of winged eyeliner look, so it looks dramatic and beautiful in this festive season. For doing my eyebrow, I am using Color Bar eyebrow pencil. It is very much pigmented and it has the brush, so I have used the brush and then I am using the pencil to draw the natural shape of my eyebrow and then filling in the gaps. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. It gives a beautiful volume to your lashes, and I am using double coat of the mascara. Then I am using the Kohl Kajal from Sugar in my lower lash line as well as my waterline. It is really jet black in color. It is beautiful. Then I am using the blush pink shade in my lower lash line to smudge out the black kajal. Using the mascara in my lower lash line as well, so it looks vibrant. Then I am using the contour shade from the Color Bar Contour and Highlighter palette, and this contour shade is perfect match for my skin tone, and this blends like butter and so beautiful. I am taking the peach pink blush from Color Bar and it looks so natural, so beautiful. It gives that beautiful pink cheek and I can't just explain. Then I have taken the highlighting shade from the same palette and then I have used it on the highlighting points of my face, like above my cheekbones, then tip of my nose, a cupid bow. Then I used it to highlight my brow bone. This highlighter is very beautiful. It gives a natural kind of look. It does not look chalky or it does not look glitter ball or something like that. So I like this highlighter a lot. And then I have used my fingertip in order to highlight my inner corner of my eyes. Then I have used the contour shade to contour my nose. It is like little bit of contouring I have done. Then I have used the makeup fixer from L'Oreal in order to fix everything together. I have taken the chocolate brown kind of lip liner from Color Bar, and then I have outlined my lip, and I have also filled in my lips using the same lip liner to give a base to the lipstick that I am going to apply. For lip color, I am using Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 50. This is a beautiful maroon red color, and this lipstick stays for long time on the lips. You have to use the makeup remover in order to remove this. You can see how beautiful the color is. With the lipstick, the look is finished, and this is the finished final look. I am wearing a beautiful sari. I have paired the look with the sari because I love wearing sari during puja season. So I hope you will enjoy this look.
Yeah, this is the finished final look. As you can see, I hope you have liked the look. If you have liked the look, please hit the like button. That means a lot to me, and do comment below and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any further notification. And this is a cotton sari. This is from Odisha. This is a very beautiful and comfortable sari. I love it. And this is a junk jewelry. This is silver replica neck piece and earring. As you can see, I will provide all the links in the description box so you can check them out. Thank you for watching. Bye. I will talk to you in next video.
Don't forget to check out my Durga Puja pandal hopping vlogs. I hope you will like them.